Okay, this is number 9 in your book on page 364. Whoops. Page 364, right, section 5.3. And we're given two matrix value functions, right? Here are matrix valued functions, right? A matrix function is matrices, and their entries are specifically functions of t. And we're asked to verify this statement, right, this equation. And in your book, right, our A, B are, they're boldface, but instead of actually, writing in with your pencil and to actually make it look bold, we can just say, A, I can use this little symbol, right, a little arrow, B arrow. You might use, A with a little kind of arrow in physics. Sometimes they use a bar, but that means something different, so we're not going to use the bar. Now, since all of this, every single letter here is bold-faced, I don't need to add this arrow here. So it's an arrow pointing to the left and the right. So, well, in order to verify this, we definitely have some matrix multiplication, and we have our prime, so we're definitely going to differentiate with respect to t. So our A of t, right, we're going to actually do we're going to do dA dt, and that's just going to be, right, the derivative of each entry. So dA dt is simply going to be, well, ddt of t is 1, ddt of 2t minus 1 is 2. Right, again, I'm simply derivative of this guy, again, with respect to t, this guy, and this guy. So we have 3t squared, and then we have 1 over t. But remember, 1 over t is the same thing as t to the negative 1, and if we take the derivative of that guy, that's just going to be, let's see, negative 1 over t squared. Okay, so that's dA dt, and we're going to multiply that by b, but let's see, maybe, okay, so I got this guy, so that's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and find b prime, and then I'm going to put everything together. And let's see, so we have b prime, so let me put it in blue. So dB dt, right, that's my b prime. Right, this was my A prime, and I have, very similar, 1 minus t is going to be, the derivative is going to be negative 1. Let's see, 1 plus t is 1, 3t squared is 6t, 4t cubed is 12t squared. Okay, that's a 6. Okay, so I have my A prime, I have my B prime. So let's go ahead and put this together. So again, this is just really differentiation combined with some matrix multiplication. And so A prime, well, let me put it in pink. So 1, 2, 3t squared minus 1 over t squared times b. And our original b is 1 minus t, 3t squared, 1 plus t, 4t cubed. And let's see, plus our A, and our original A is, let me just move down, A is t, 2t minus 1t cubed and 1 over t. Okay, and I guess I maybe shouldn't have circled this pink, but this is my A prime, right? There's A prime, there's my B, plus, and then A, right? This is just my regular A, plus B prime. Well, I want to put B prime here, right? Or my dB dt. Right? You're taking the derivative of a matrix with respect to the functions of t, which are the entry values. And my B prime is simply negative 1, 6t, 1, 12t squared. And let me just go ahead and, that's a B right there. So if you notice, we have nice square matrices here, right? These are all 2 by 2 matrices. So we're going to multiply these guys, get a 2 by 2, multiply these guys, get a 2 by 2, and then we're going to add the matrices, and the goal is to see if we can get, which we still have to calculate, where is it the same as A times B, and then differentiating that matrix. But I'm going to go ahead and stop here and continue in the next video because it's going to get too long.